Thorn in Our Side, A Proposal by Shane Clark. Now, Himalayan blackberries are a seedy fruit that grow in thickets and large canes that have thorns the size of a fingernail. They are evergreen and are found everywhere around Washington, and they have overtaken our native blackberries. And they spread so much that King County has labeled Himalayan blackberries a Class C noxious weed. Not only that, but Mill Creek public lands are infested with them. They are everywhere. But there's not a whole lot we can do around these public lands because of the U.S. Forest Service. They don't have Himalayan blackberries as an option to be removed on federal land in national parks, protected lands, or in any federal service. And it's because it's not considered an invasive species to the Forest Service. But there is a way forward. Because of the Federal Noxious Weed Act of 1974, it requires that federal land management agencies to develop and establish a management program for control of undesirable plants that are classified as, under state or federal law, as noxious, harmful, injurious, or poisonous. And because Himalayan blackberries are considered a noxious weed underneath King County law, we can move forward in our removal of Himalayan blackberry. Now, the solution to this is to survey a cooperative weed management area so that we can cooperate with the U.S. Forest Service, the Invasive Species Council, and the Recreation and Conservation Office, and get grants from them in order to hire a professional landscaping company with the apportioned funds, and we'll be able to remove all of those nasty blackberries by the end of 2020. We need these resources. And the only way we can get them is by showing a concerted effort to gather around these blackberries. These blackberries are a problem here in Mill Creek. They're overtaking our roads, our property, and they're a blight. They're not pretty to look at. They're not good for our environment. And if we can all gather behind this, then we can remove this problem in the very near future with the resources offered to us by the Invasive Species Council and the Recreation and Conservation Office in conjunction with the U.S. Forest Service. So it's a solvable problem. We just need some support.